Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and today I'm going to show you how to get word count on Google Docs. But first, subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to all of my software tutorials. And with that, let's get into today's video. I actually got this text from Britannica, right here, the article on pollution. And make sure to cite all your sources. I'm coming out with a new video about how to cite your sources directly from Google Docs to make it way more efficient. So make sure to turn on your notifications and subscribe to my channel so that you can be alerted when I post that new video. So the first thing you have to do is highlight the text that you want to get the word count for, and then you go to the tools drop bar, which is in between format and add-ons. You click on that, and then the second option should be the word count. You click on the word count and it gives you the pages, words, characters, and the characters excluding spaces. You can also have another feature where it displays the word count real time while you're typing. So if you want to reach a certain amount of words, or you want to watch out for the word count limit to ensure that you circumscribe your text to where you're not exceeding the word count limit, then you can have this in the bottom left corner and it shows your word count real time. So if I start typing more things here, you can see the word count actually going up as I type. As you can see, we get this on the bottom left corner with the words, but if you click on that, then you can actually see the pages, the words, the characters, and the characters excluding spaces. And if you don't want this in the bottom left corner, just click on hide word count. Another thing you can do, a quicker way to actually get to the word count, is if you highlight this text, then you can just go Command-Shift-C and it'll automatically take you to word count. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Turn on those notifications so you can be alerted when I post all my new videos, and comment down in the comment section below if you have any software inquiries, and thanks for watching.